Hi, I'm Emily. Welcome back to English from Afar. Hey, Welker.
Hey, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm Walter. Nice to be here. We'll keep things simple and natural with helpful phrases you can use. Ready?
Ready? Okay. Hey, Walter. Good morning. How are you today?
Morning, Emily. I'm good, thanks. A little sleepy, but good. You?
I'm okay. I had a slow morning. Just the usual.
Slow morning. Love that. So, shall we talk about our mornings? How do you start your day, Emily?
Yes, okay. I wake up at 7. I wake up to my phone alarm. I stay in bed for 2 minutes. I stretch. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Very simple.
Nice. I wake at 6:30 most days. I get out of bed right away. I make the bed, small habit. Then I stretch too. I check my phone, but not for too long. Just a quick look.
You check your phone? Oh, really? I check mine, but I try not to. Sometimes I look at messages, then 20 minutes pass.
Yeah, that happens. I try to only check the weather and a quick message. One quick check. Then I make coffee.
Coffee, of course. Do you drink coffee every day, Walter?
Yeah, coffee every day. Black, no sugar. Or sometimes a little milk. I need coffee to wake up. You?
I like tea. I make green tea in the morning. Sometimes coffee if I feel extra tired. For breakfast, I usually have toast or cereal. Very simple food.
I eat breakfast too, usually. Eggs or toast. Some days I have cereal. Other days I skip breakfast, if I'm late.
Skip breakfast? No way. I feel slow without breakfast. I eat something small, maybe fruit and yogurt or toast with jam.
I can work without eating, but I am not the best in the morning if I skip lunch later.
So, after breakfast, what do? Go to work?
Yes, I go to work. I take the bus, about 30 minutes. I read on the bus. Sometimes I listen to a podcast. What about you, Emily?
I work from home. I open my laptop. I drink tea. And then I check my emails. I read emails. I write emails. I reply to emails. I join meetings on Zoom. Lots of talking.
Work from home. Sounds nice. Do you have many meetings, Emily?
Yes, I have a few meetings. Not too many. I have one in the morning and one in the afternoon. I like short meetings. Long meetings make me tired.
Same. Long meetings can be boring. You sit and listen, then you forget why you were there.
Exactly. I prefer quick talks, and I like when people send a short email instead of a meeting. Saves time.
Agreed. For daytime, what about lunch? Do you eat at your desk?
Sometimes I eat at my desk, but I try to take a break. I cook a small lunch, like a salad or soup. Other days, I heat leftovers. How about you?
I bring lunch from home, a sandwich or rice and vegetables. If it's a busy day, I eat at my desk, but I like to go outside when I can.
Going outside is nice. Walk for 5 minutes, get fresh air. It helps with energy. I try to walk around the block at lunchtime.
Yes, a short walk is good. I also talk to coworkers. We make small talk about the weather or weekend plans, simple things.
Small talk is fun. Or, sometimes awkward. How is your cat? Oh, fine, thanks.
Yes, my coworker talks a lot about her dog. I listen and I smile.
After lunch, do you go back to work and check emails again?
Yes, after lunch is more emails. I write reports and join a quick meeting. I try to finish tasks before the end of the day.
I do the same. Afternoon is for focused work. I turn off notifications sometimes. No phone, no messages, just work.
Good idea. I should try that. My phone distracts me too much. But, I also have creative work in the afternoon sometimes.
Creative work is nice. I draw for a little while after work. It's my hobby. I like to draw plants. It helps me relax.
Wow, plants? That's cool. I play guitar a little. I'm not great, but I enjoy it. We both have quiet hobbies, I guess.
Yes, quiet hobbies, perfect for evenings. So, when you finish work, what do you do next, Walter?
I go home, change clothes, take off shoes. I feel better in comfy clothes. Then I cook dinner or order food if I'm tired.
Same. I change clothes. I like to be comfortable. For dinner, I cook simple food. Pasta, rice, or soup. Sometimes I make salad.
Pasta is great, quick and easy. I usually make pasta or a stir fry, vegetables and a little meat. If I am lazy, I order pizza.
Pizza night. Yes, I do that too sometimes. Eating out or ordering in is a nice treat after a long day.
After dinner, what do you do to relax?
I sit on the couch. I watch TV or YouTube. Sometimes I read a book in bed. I water my plants too. I like quiet time.
I usually watch a show or play a video game for a little while. Then I practice guitar or read. If I am very tired, I just go to bed early.
You play video games? Oh, I watch gamers on YouTube. I don't play much, but it looks fun.
Yeah, it's fun, but be careful. Time goes fast. You say one more level and 2 hours pass.
Uh-huh. It's a trap. So, how do you end your day, Walter? Night routine?
Uh-huh, it's a trap. So how do you end your day, Walter? Night routine?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and I say goodnight to my plants. I check my phone for a minute, bad habit. Then I read or listen to calm music. I try to sleep at 10:30.
Good plan. Phones are hard. I try not to look, but yeah. Then I watch one video.
Same here. I say I go to bed at 10, but really I sleep at 11.
We both have the same problem.
Quick question. What is your favorite part of the day, Walter?
Hmm. My favorite part is the evening after work when I relax. I like quiet time. You?
I like mornings. I like the calm before the day starts. I like making tea and listening to birds. It's peaceful.
Nice. So you are a morning person and I am a night person. Classic.
Yes, little difference. But we both like quiet moments. We both eat and sleep. We both try to relax.
True. Our days are similar in simple ways. Wake up, eat, work, relax, sleep, repeat. But we add little things. Plants, guitar, tea.
Exactly. Small habits make the day nicer. Little routines help us feel calm. Even a 5-minute walk matters.
Okay, last fun question. If you could change one part of your routine, what would it be?
I would stop checking my phone at night. I want better sleep. What about you, Walter?
I would wake up a bit later on weekends. I want more sleep. And maybe cook more interesting dinners.
Cooking more interesting dinners. Yes, we should trade recipes next time.
Deal. Send me your best soup recipe, Emily. I'll send you my easy pasta. We can share and try new things.
Perfect. Next episode, simple recipes for busy people.
I like that idea. Okay, Emily, thank you. This was cozy.
Thank you, Walter. I had fun. Bye, everyone. Sleep well and good luck with your routines.
Bye. Take care. See you next time.